Good morning, everyone. Today we start the revise or you recheck your half-yearly paper. So here is the MCQ on your screen. Multiple choice question. First question: balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called. The options are sustainable development, resource conservation, resource development, human resource development. Yes, Akshita Sengal.
Ma'am, sustainable development.
Sustainable development is the right answer. Yes. Who devised the new system of revenue called Maharwali system? Queen Elizabeth, Paul McNeice, Queen Victoria, Gandhi ji. Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, Holt McNeice.
Thank you. Paul McNeice is the right answer. The third one. On the basis of the region, natural resources can be classified as dash and dash. Options are biotic, abiotic, renewable, non-renewable, actual potential resources, abiotics, or localized resources. Yes, Neha Jain.
Ma'am, biotic and abiotic resources.
Biotic, fine. It is right. Yes, biotic and abiotic is the right answer. Is the use of the land for different purposes like agriculture, forestry, mining, construction of buildings, houses, industries, and roads. Yes, Aditya, please. Which option is right?
Land use.
Land use. Yes. Yes, come to the next. Which of the following are fundamental rights? Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, all of these. Yes, Saksham Tiwari.
Ma'am, all of these.
Thank you, Saksham. All of these is the right answer. The Champaran movement was against peasants, East India Company, the oppressive attitude of the planter, none of the above. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, option C, the oppressive attitude of the planters.
Thank you. So, the oppressive attitude of the planter is the right answer. Which of the following determine the use of land? Soil and topography, climate and vegetation, availability of the water, all of these. Yes, Ananya Khaira. Surbhi Saini. Akshita Sembal.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of this is the right answer. Thank you, Akshita. Gold is an example of mineral. Ferrous, non-ferrous, both A and B. None of these. Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, be non-ferrous.
Non-ferrous, yeah. If it is ferrous, no one give big amount of for purchasing gold. Come to the next. Yes, here is the next one. How many sepoys were dismissed from service and sentenced to 10 years in jail on 9th May 1857? 80, 85, 90, 95. Yes, Aditya Jain.
Ma'am, 85.
Yes, 85 soldiers were dismissed from service and sentenced to 10 years in jail on 9th May 1857. From which mineral is silicon obtained? Coal, bauxite, thorium, potash. Yes. Uh, yes, Neha Jain.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. Who was given the title the Viceroy, Chief Commissioner, Governor General, Forest Manager, none of these. Yes, Aditya Jain.
Ma'am, Chief Commissioner.
Chief Commissioner. Anyone else? Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, Governor General.
Yes, the right answer is Governor General. What kind of role citizen of India play in electing representative? Indirect role, no role, direct, submissive. Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, option D, submissive.
Submissive. Anyone else? Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, direct rule.
Direct. Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, same director.
Direct rule. Answer is direct. Next. Competition among the companies resulted in reduced profit of companies, quality of goods increased, price became low, none of these. Yes, Neha Jain.
Ma'am, the quality of a goods increased.
Quality of goods increase. Anyone else? Saksham Tiwari.
Answer is A. Reducing.
Profits of company. Yes, it is
Yes,
the right
ma'am.
answer. What kind the king of Nepal finally take over as the head of the government? Harshit Deswal. Please unmute yourself. Akshita Semwal.
Ma'am, April 2003.
February 2005 is the right answer. Okay, now let's come to the next. What type of cases are decided by under civil law? Divorce, rent matters, sale of land, all of these. Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, all of these.
Answer is all of these. 17. What does to force someone to do something means? Caution, intervene, interpret, none of these. Yes, Imad. Neha.
Ma'am, option A.
Option A person, yes. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Prime Minister of India, President of India, Vice President of India, none of these. Ananya Jain,
Ma'am, Vice President of India.
Vice President of India. Law on domestic violence was made in the year 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. Raghav Suneja. Raghav Suneja.
Ma'am, 2006. Am I audible?
Was made in 2005. 2005 is the right answer. Who is the final interpreter of our constitution? Judiciary, government, executive, legislative. Who is the final interpreter of our constitution? Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, judiciary.
Judiciary, yes. Judiciary is the right option. Now, subject paper. So section A is OTBA. As you can see, the picture is on your screen. What do you see in the above picture? Yes, Ananya Khara. Yes, Ananya Jain.
So in the above picture, people are standing in a long queue to give vote to their respective
Pass your vote.
representative.
Yes, yes. Very good, Ananya. Next. What do you mean by universal adult franchise? Akshita.
Ma'am, universal adult franchise means that all people who is 18 and above have right to vote.
Above 18 having a right to vote, and one vote, one person, one vote will be counted. Yes. Now the second picture composition. According to the picture above, what are women victim of? Ananya Khara, please turn on your camera. Anshika Agarwal, answer this question.
Ma'am, bride burning.
Yes, Ananya. What do you mean by the phrase equal relationship is violence free? Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, equal relationship are violence free with reference as a domestic violence and protective of women from the Domestic Violence Act 2005. Women have equal rights and privileges as that of man. Both women and men will be on equal footing.
Yes. So in short, you can say the respect and equality for each other, then there would be no any violence issue to fight on which would typically run relationship smoothly. And in case of B1 is dominated, then other ones, which is good. Yes. Now come to the next. The map work, yes. Now two major center of revolt, Pokaveli, Kalpakkam, Nagarjun, and Mumbai. As Mumbai has here, Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu, Pokaveli in here, and two major center of Delhi, Kanpur, Bareilly. You can fill on UP and the area, many of the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now come to the next. Uh, Complete the following table. He was the son of Hyder Ali and the ruler of Mysore. Ananya.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, Tipu Sultan.
Tipu Sultan was the son of Hyder Ali and the ruler of Mysore. Yes. Mir Jafar was promised to be made Nawab after the crushing. Surbi Sani.
Ma'am, Sirajudullah.
Sajidullah. Okay. Now next. Under the royalty system, the planter forced the royals to sign a contract, namely Yes. Akshita.
Ma'am, Monroe system.
Monroe system. Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, Satta.
Yeah.
Satta.
Satta. Yes. That contract name was Satta. Okay. When Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa, peasant from Bihar persuaded him to visit Neha.
Ma'am, Champaran.
Champaran, yes. How Mackenzie devised the system of revenue collection? Raise your hand. Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, Mahalwari system.
Mahalwari system, yes. Now define biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve. I think one question is left of. Yes, yes. Case study. Let's talk about case study. What do you see in the above picture? Yes, Ananya.
In the above picture, we can see the slave workers are putting the indigo plant into water storage vessels on the left.
Yes. What do you mean by the term with? Anshika.
Ma'am, what means a fermenting or storage vessel?
Yes, storage vessel known as what? Yes. Now next, why indigo was being cultivated in West Indies on a large scale? Akshita, same one.
Ma'am, because of high demand in European countries of blue indigo.
Yes, and the tropical climate is good for the cultivation of indigo, and it was being used in Italy, France, and Britain. But the price of indigo was very high, and the hence a small uh, quantity of indigo could reach the European market. So, though it's climatic conditions, so that is why the indigo was being cultivated in West Indies on the large scale because it was demanded by France, Italy, and other European countries. Define plantation. Neha Jain. Neha Jain.
Ma'am, the large farm operated by a planter employing various forms of forced labor plantation are associated with the production of coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, tea, and cotton is called a plantation.
Who was Jean Baptiste Labat? Yes, Surbhi.
Ma'am, Jean Baptiste.
Who was he? The French missionary, the Jane, who published the book, one of his book. This image show all the stage of the indigo production in France, slave plantation in the region. So he was a flower, French missionary. Okay. Yes. So next one is a define. Anyone of you please define biosphere reserve. Chaitanya Singla, please explain biosphere reserve. Chaitanya, please turn on your camera and explain biosphere reserve. Akshita, Anshika Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. These are the series of protected areas linked through a global network intended to the relationship between construction and development is known as biosphere reserve.
Protected large area for natural habitat. Yes. Next is the ecosystem. Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, it is a system which includes all the living organisms of an area and physical environment in which they live.
Yes. Human trafficking. Akshita Sengwal.
Ma'am, human trafficking is illegal and it is a crime punishable of law.
Firangis. Surbhi. Neha.
Ma'am, the foreigners, especially the white man called
Yes.
Firangis.
Now next, Neha, please explain stock of resources.
Ma'am, the stock resource are resources that can be indefinitely expanded and therefore non-renewable.
Okay, thank you.